Okay, I finally got a battery for our 66. What I'm going to do temporarily is I got a 1 gallon gas can over here, and then I got the fuel line running down to the fuel pump, and hopefully that'll work for us to get this thing running so we can actually move it. Now we did start it when we first got the car last year. We did start it, but it was blowing oil out of where the oil pressure gauge goes, and then I fixed that, and then I have never messed with it since. This is a brand new battery that I'm hooking up to it. We don't want to start it where we actually run it and drag race it. We just want to see if it'll turn over and actually, you know, kick in and fire, put it that way. Now another thing, we don't have any water in the radiator, but that really doesn't matter. Like I said, we're just gonna turn it over and see if it fires. So we're gonna pour that gas in it like that, and I'm gonna go in the car and turn the engine over and see what it does. We're gonna go ahead and turn it over and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and try to, let me get a funnel to put that in. I want to fill the carburetor up with gas. I don't even know if I have a funnel that's that small. Well, I guess that'll work. Let's see. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. And I can smell the old gas, the varnish, bringing back those childhood memories of building hot rods when I was a teenager with my brother. So let's go ahead and try to start it and see if it'll stay running, and hopefully it will. The shifter over on the steering column was just on the verge of being locked up, and I went ahead and sprayed it with some blaster, so that'll probably help it out. I couldn't get it into park, but I did finally get it into park out here using a pry bar and pulling up on it. So let's go ahead and start this thing up and see if it'll stay running. adjust it a little bit. But we're not running in 15 to 17 years. I think it actually runs pretty good. We don't have any smoke at all, which is good. And we're gonna have to turn the idle up on it because it wants to die out. We tried to put the car in gear, it wouldn't go in gear. We found out that the transmission fluid was really low, so I went and bought some transmission fluid. I also went ahead and got an air cleaner for the car. I'm already spending money on this thing, okay? This little shit that you buy, and we're talking transmission fluid here, $10 a quart. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I got 5 quarts of that, that's 50 bucks. And then we got the air cleaner here. That's another $50 for that. I didn't even want this piece of shit. Okay, I don't care about having the chrome crap. I don't care about the name Eldebrock. I don't like advertising for him. I got on eBay. I tried to find a factory air cleaner. But these motherfuckers out there in eBay land, they want $285 for a rusted out factory air cleaner. They want $400 for one that's painted. They want $199 for a fucking top with no bottom. I mean, this is bullshit, okay? So as of now, I've already got a brand new battery, that's $200. I got fucking $100 in this shit, and this is just the beginning. This is how it all adds up, is buying this little crap right here. Oh, and then look at this little shit. Here's another $10 fucking for that. Do you know what this is? This is actually the stud, air cleaner stud kit for the fucking air cleaner. I'm spending 50 bucks for a fucking aftermarket air cleaner, and they don't even have a stud kit in here. Is that bullshit? Hold on, what do we got here? Maybe this one does have it. Because the other one I saw didn't. No, it ain't got shit. It's got a fucking wing nut. Ain't got nothing in here except that. That's bullshit, okay? You spend all this money, and it's like bam, 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 you gotta buy this, you gotta buy that, you gotta buy that, you gotta buy that, just to make one fucking thing work. And now you kind of understand why it costs $50, $75, $80,000 to restore one of these old fucking cars. So I know there's transmission fluid in it because when I checked it before I started it, it had fluid on the dipstick, but as I'm reading it now, it ain't got shit. So we're gonna go ahead and put tranny fluid, and I know it's not leaking. I looked under the car and it's all dry. So we're gonna go ahead and put some tranny fluid in this. Now this is a 2-speed power glide, and on a 2-speed power glide, you only can use 2 types of transmission fluid, and the one that you should is recommended highly is the Type F right here, Type F. Now you can use the Dextron if you want, but Type F is basically made for this application. Now I did get 5 quarts, remember? $50 worth. Fucking $10 for a quart of fucking tranny fluid. Tell me that's not bullshit. Okay, here we go. There. All right, now let's see. Okay, so it says to add. We're going to go ahead and add a pint, and then we're going to have to start it up and then check it while it's in park. And hopefully that fucking alternator belt or the power steering belt won't break off. Okay, so that's a half a quart, which is a pint. This car doesn't even have a fan shroud on it. Wow. Okay, we're just going to set that right there next to our gas tank. And I noticed that the dipstick itself is loose. It's not bolted on anywhere. And it normally bolts to the top bolt here. And it's missing, feels like it's missing a transmission bolt. So there's another issue that we're going to have to fix. Let's just see if we can get this thing running and shifting in gear. Bitch. Fucker. Now we can't figure out which key's which here. Motherfucking bitch. Now the fucking key won't work. Fucking bitch. Oh my god, I can't fucking believe this. I can't fucking believe it. Now the fucking key won't fucking work. Fuck! Shit! Fucking bitch. Well, we know the horn doesn't work. So we got two keys here. I don't know which one's which. Go ahead and spray a little electronic cleaner in it. And another thing I noticed is that the fucking thing is loose. So we're going to take some pliers and kind of tighten that up like that. So I don't know which key it's going to be. I guess I can try the trunk. Whichever one the trunk doesn't work in, that's the ignition key. Because it was just fucking working the other day. Okay, so that's the trunk key, so this has got to be the ignition key. Okay, there it is. Now it fucking works. Okay, it'll start, okay? It'll start. fucking starter fluid. Shit. Where the fuck did that go? I don't like using this, but I don't have no choice. See what's cooking. I got my safety glasses on. Those belts are like rotted. We're gonna have to replace those definitely for sure. It's not showing jack shit. Dipstick just broke inside there. Fuck! I don't fucking believe it. Fuck. Well, we can't go any further now because the fucking dipstick just fucking broke. Look at that. Just fucking broke inside the dipstick holder. So now we're gonna have to jack the car up. I gotta take that off, and hopefully I can get that fucker out of there without going inside the transmission. What a bitch. I don't fucking believe it. Fuck.